So stop sending manual emails, automate it, and pause your video marketing right now if your lead tracking system doesn't have AI and automation integrated into it. You are just pouring water into a leaky bucket. And over this 3-part series, I will show you how AI and automation will make your business more money. Benefit number 1, it multiplies your phone calls. If an automated system saves your rep 2 hours of daily admin work because they don't have to do data entry and emails, they can make 400 extra phone calls per month. And here's why that matters. Statistics show that it takes 6 to 8 attempts to get a prospect on the phone. And most quit at 2 because they run out of time. But when you do get them on the phone, the conversion rate is 30 to 40%. Compared to emailing, which is a measly 1 to 3%. Those 400 extra phone calls means 50 more conversations. That translates to 15 brand new clients for your business every single month. Now think about how much that would do for your business. So stop losing hot leads, and if you respond to your lead in 15 minutes, then you might as well crumple that lead up and throw it in the trash. Yesterday we talked about multiplying your phone calls. Today we're going to talk about lethal speed, because our competitors are constantly trying to beat us to the punch, but with a proper operational workflow, you win the race automatically. And here's how it works. The exact second you get a lead, it hits your CRM and the system instantly alerts your whole team. It sends an automatic email, it sends an automatic text message, and it can even automate your calls, so that way when your prospect picks up, it'll be able to transfer them to your sales rep automatically. Think about that. In 1 minute, you just emailed, texted, and phone called. That type of speed increases your chances of winning the business immediately. That is how you combine high-level video marketing with high-level operations. So if your sales team spends 2 hours in a meeting just recapping a deal to your onboarding team, your operations is broken. Now let's talk about data. In a proper operational system, every email, text, and phone call is automatically threaded right into your CRM. When your sales team closes a deal and hands it to fulfillment, the new team instantly sees the entire history. Sales doesn't have to waste time recapping what was promised, and the client never has to repeat themselves. This makes your entire team more productive and more valuable. That is how you combine video marketing with high-level operations. If you want a free operational audit for your business, contact us at any time at 833-WAVYENT, or you can visit our website at wavyent.net. Thank you so much, and have a good rest of your day.